AMUG is unique. This is my first time, but I never experienced something like this before.
This is a fantastic conference because it's all about the users, focusing on their applications, how we can all make them successful.
It is a place where you can meet new people and expand your knowledge about very specific technologies or industries.
So you sit together with end users, but also with competitors and also with printer manufacturers.
It's very nice to see that everybody's willing to share, everybody's open to each other, and then this is what I believe is necessary to develop this industry altogether. 3D printing is going to change the traditional production methods.
I'm amazed every day what new applications emerge from the market.
BASF. We create chemistry.